In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a lip-synced AI video in Higgsfield's Lip Sync Studio. We'll start by heading to the Higgsfield website. On the top menu, hover over the video section to reveal the available creative tools, then select Lip Sync Studio. This opens the workspace where everything comes together. First, upload your media. You can use either a single photo or a video. If you choose a photo, pick a clear, front-facing image with good lighting and a neutral background. This helps the mouth movements look natural. If you choose a video, use a steady clip with the face visible most of the time for the cleanest results. Once your file is uploaded, type the exact script you want the AI to speak. Keep your sentences concise, use punctuation to control pauses, and spell out numbers and acronyms the way you want them read. If you have unusual names or terms, add a simple phonetic hint in parentheses to guide pronunciation. After your script is in place, add a creative prompt that describes the scene you're imagining. Think about the background, lighting, camera framing, mood, and any stylistic cues. More detail generally produces better results, but keep the prompt focused so it doesn't confuse the model. If you have a specific setting in mind, like an office, a studio backdrop, or warm cinematic lighting, say so and mention colors or mood to steer the look. Next, choose from the available models. Each model has its own strengths, from ultra-realistic looks to more stylized aesthetics. Pick the one that best matches your use case, whether it's a professional talking head, a creative promo, or a character-style piece. Set the duration and resolution for your output. Make sure the duration comfortably fits your script at a natural speaking pace, and select a resolution that matches where you'll share the video. Higher resolutions look sharper but take longer to render. Lower ones are faster and fine for quick previews. If the narration runs long, either extend the length or tighten the wording so the pacing stays natural. When everything looks good, click Generate. The system will analyze your media, align the lip movements to your script, and render the final video. This can take a moment, so let it finish. When the preview is ready, watch it through to check timing, clarity, and overall feel. If something isn't quite right, adjust your script punctuation, refine the prompt, or try a different model, then generate again. And that's it. You've just created a lip-synced AI video in Higgsfield's Lip Sync Studio from upload to final render, with settings tuned to your needs.